Dani Maree from the National Council, often for persons with disabilities, and I've got something exciting to share with you today. For a couple of years, the DTIC has a program running called the Rebate. Now, what a rebate is essentially when you are a person with a physical impairment and you want to purchase a new vehicle in South Africa, you can get a rebate. Now, what the rebate entails is that you will not pay the customs duties on that vehicle. Very important is that there is two separate application forms. One is for if you are driving the vehicle yourself with hand controls, for example, or if you are transported by a person that would be a nominated driver. Essentially, you need to have an adaptation made to the vehicle, either hand controls fitted or a ramp or a hoist. So there must be a modification made to the vehicle. So then we as the National Council, often for persons with disabilities, facilitate the whole process. We assist you with the application forms and we submit it. And once you receive your rebate certificate from ITAC, it's a subdivision of DTIC, then you can order your vehicle and you can save lots of money. Then, if you want to buy a vehicle that's locally manufactured in South Africa, there is also an option for you to get a discount, but that works through SARS. That's got the implication on the amount of VAT that you will be paying on the vehicle, and that is also for persons that's driving the vehicle themselves or also transported. So a car that is imported, it doesn't mean that you need to go out and look for a car that is not available in South Africa. For example, I'm going to take just a name. If you go to a dealership, let's say Audi, they are imported into South Africa. So it doesn't mean that you need to order a vehicle that is not available in South Africa. The dealerships, most of them are aware of the process, but if there's any problems, we are here to assist you and to help you and to guide you. And that is a very good way in saving money and also covering the costs of the adaptations that you are going to do on your vehicle. So happy driving and looking forward to receive applications.